The Surgeon General of the United States is so concerned about the threat social media poses on young people that he's calling on Congress to mandate health warning labels like those on tobacco products. He said these platforms are contributing to a significant mental health crisis among children. CBS's Anna Werner takes a closer look.
Ask mom of 4, Kieran Dedeja-Smith, about dealing with her kids' social media use, and she'll tell you it's been a failure.
Managing and navigating social media is definitely one of the most difficult things, I think, as a parent. There are a lot of positives that come out of it, but it's just this wild, wild west that we don't know what's out there.
Her teens, she said, spend hours online, and that's common. A Gallup poll showed on average, teens spend nearly 5 hours a day on social media. But research shows adolescents who spend more than 3 hours a day face double the risk of anxiety and depression. Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy is calling for the warning label to state that social media is associated with significant mental health harms for adolescents.
We have to act with urgency. The most important thing we've got to do is make social media safer with safety standards.
Social psychologist Jonathan Haidt says the rise of social media coincided with an epidemic of mental illness.
Children today are getting less of everything else that matters. Less sleep, less time with friends, less time outside, less time moving. They're losing childhood, and that's got to impede childhood development.
Dedeja-Smith says she welcomes warning labels, but
I feel like it's a really good move in the right direction, but as for what it's going to do, I don't have a whole lot of hope, to be honest.
We reached out to several social media companies. Meta did not comment, but company officials pointed to its proposed legislation to require app stores to get a parent's approval before a child under 16 downloads an app. The company also said that there's other research that points to some positive benefits from social media for teens. Norah?